Looking to get more heat out of your wood stove without burning more wood? Fire, then you need one of these. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best wood stove fans for 2025, from whisper quiet models to heavy-duty heat movers that'll warm your entire room. Light bulb, show features, energy saving, self-powered, efficient heat distribution. Whether you're living off-grid, heating your cabin, or just trying to stay cozy this winter, we've got the perfect fan for your setup. So let's fire it up and dive right into the list. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tomersun 3 Blades Heat. With this pick, Tomersun offers an economical way to add a fan to a wood stove. As with other pricier stove fans, this one features whisper quiet operation and is made from durable anodized aluminum. Its construction looked and felt similar to the other all-aluminum fans we tested, but at a lower cost. The Tomersun has a built-in safety device that automatically elevates the front of the fan to protect the motor from damage if temperatures exceed 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Its operating range is 176 to 653 degrees Fahrenheit, although the blades began to spin when our stove's surface temperature reached a little over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The Tomersun stove fan produces an airflow of between 150 and 170 cfm, which is adequate for circulating air through small spaces. Like the other fans we tested, we didn't feel the airflow more than a few feet away from the fan. However, this choice is a good value for those looking for a wood-burning stove fan for a small space. Number 2. Flanagan 5 Blade. Since wood stove fans are small, they don't produce a ton of airflow. Utilizing 2 fans, one on each side of the stove, is a more efficient way to disperse heat, which is why our top pick is this affordably priced pack of 2 fans from Flanagan. These heat-powered fans have 5 blades that begin spinning when surface temperatures reach around 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The blades spin faster as the stove heats up, with an operating range from 185 to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. If temperatures exceed 482 degrees Fahrenheit, the ideal operating temperature, the fan's base will lift, protecting the motor from heat damage. The Flanagan fans are smaller than some of the other models we tested, but their 5 blades spun fast, producing the most airflow. We placed one on each side of our wood stove and could feel a warm breeze when standing in front of them. We also appreciated that this 2-pack included a wood stove thermometer, which allowed us to easily monitor our stove's surface temperatures. Number 3. Voda 4 Blades. Powered entirely by heat, Voda's 4-bladed stove fan is durable and operates silently, making it one of the best ways to circulate air around the wood stove. It kicks on at temperatures as low as 185 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand temperatures as high as 660 degrees Fahrenheit. The Voda comes in black and gold finishes to complement different stoves and surroundings. We tested the black version, which was attractive and felt quality built. We used a stove thermometer during testing, and the Voda's blades powered on when our stovetop's temperature hit the low 100s Fahrenheit. The blades spun quicker as the stove heated up. This fan didn't produce a lot of airflow, but enough that we could feel it from a few feet away. While it can help distribute air in rooms of all sizes, it's best equipped to help warm a small room. Number 4. Galafire 4-Blade Heat. I'm thoroughly impressed with this 4-blade heat-powered stove fan. From the moment I placed it on top of our wood-burning stove, I noticed an immediate improvement in heat circulation throughout the room. It starts spinning around 122 degrees Fahrenheit just as advertised and runs completely silently, no buzzing or humming, just smooth and quiet operation. The fan feels solid and well-built, and the sleek black design fits perfectly with our fireplace setup. I especially love that it requires no electricity. It's an eco-friendly solution that saves energy and makes great use of the stove's heat. The included magnetic thermometer is a great bonus, helping me monitor the stove's temperature for optimal performance and safety. After using it consistently for weeks, I can confidently say it works just as described. It's an efficient, low-maintenance tool that really makes a difference during the colder months. With a 2-year warranty, I feel secure in my purchase too. Highly recommended for anyone with a wood, gas, or pellet stove. This fan is a game changer. Number 5. Cwlakon Mounting Wood Stove Fan. The Cwlakon wood stove fan exceeded all my expectations. The slot lock design and mounting bracket make it incredibly stable and secure, no wobbling or tipping, even when used on smaller camping stoves or uneven surfaces. It's ideal for camping, picnics, or even use at home on our wood-burning stove. It's amazing how it runs entirely without electricity, using only the heat from the stove to operate. It starts up quickly and quietly, circulating warm air efficiently throughout the space. The silent operation is a huge plus. No noise at all, just steady airflow that makes a noticeable difference. Build quality is solid, and the compact size makes it easy to transport and store. It's truly eco-friendly, energy-saving, and a great way to maximize the efficiency of any gas, pellet, or wood stove. I highly recommend this fan for anyone who enjoys off-grid living, camping, or simply wants to boost heat circulation in a room without adding to the power bill. Fantastic value and smart design. Number 6. Hanaoyo 6-Blade. This 6-blade wood stove fan is a game-changer for our home heating setup. It starts up automatically once the stove gets warm and runs completely on heat, with no electricity needed. The 6 blades really move the air efficiently, helping to circulate warm air evenly across the room. We've noticed a significant difference in how quickly the space heats up. The fan is also super quiet, to the point where you forget it's even running. The included magnetic thermometer is a great bonus, helping us keep an eye on the stove temperature to make sure we're always in the optimal range for performance and safety. It's well built, looks great on top of our wood burner, and requires zero maintenance. Whether you use a wood, log, or pellet stove, this fan is an eco-friendly, energy-saving accessory that pays for itself by improving heat distribution and reducing fuel usage. Highly recommend this fan. It's efficient, affordable, and a smart upgrade for any stove user. Number 7. Tsendi 4-Blades Silent Operation. This 4-blade log burner fan is exactly what I needed to improve the efficiency of my fireplace. It starts spinning quickly once the stove heats up and runs completely silently. No noise at all, just smooth and consistent air movement. I've noticed a big difference in how well the heat circulates around the room. Instead of all the warmth staying near the stove, it now reaches much farther, making the whole space more comfortable without having to burn extra wood. The design is compact, eco-friendly, and totally heat-powered, so there's no need for electricity or batteries. It looks great on the stove and feels sturdy and well-made. If you're using a wood stove or log burner, this fan is a simple but highly effective upgrade. Great value, great performance. I highly recommend it for keeping your home warmer, more evenly heated, and energy efficient.